body cavities are the ventral and the dorsal body cavities. Let's take the dorsal first. It contains the cranial cavity and the spinal cavity. So that lies in the dorsal aspect. The ventral cavities are the thoracic cavity, the abdominal cavity, and the pelvic cavity. So the thoracic cavity has got three cavities within it. There's one huge big box with three cavities inside. So two pleural cavities enclosing the lungs and one pericardial cavity in between enclosing the heart. The abdominal cavity is divided into the abdominal cavity proper, and the lower part is known as the pelvic cavity. So these are the cavities. Now, lining the cavities are the body membranes. These body membranes, they line the cavity or they cover the viscera as the peritoneum or the pleura. The other body membranes lie inside the viscus and they are referred to as the mucous membranes. So they line the oral nasal cavities, whereas the serous membrane are the ones which either line the body cavity, or namely the thoracic cavity or the abdominal cavity, and they get reflected on to the viscera, the lungs or the intestines in the form of some peritoneal ligaments, as you can see here, called the mesentery. Pleura, and it's an example, serous membrane associated with the lungs. You have two layers of it, one that lines the inside of the chest cavity known as the parietal pleura, that lines the thoracic walls, thoracic surface of the diaphragm, and that gets reflected on to the lungs as the visceral pleura. So these are the body membranes.